Hello everyone! Welcome to another video of Unboxing Toys Adventures with Bluey and Pinky. My name is Bluey and thank you again so much for joining us today as we continue to learn our alphabets. And before we start, if you have not done so and if you're first time in our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also check out our videos that we have done in the past. So basically, we have been doing some educational segments every other week where we try to learn different alphabets right now and also introduce the past toys that we have revealed on our videos as well. So not only we unbox new toys, but we also learn new concepts so we can also reuse our toys and also learn at the same time. And we are going to have characters with names starting with E, F, and G. So let's begin. Alright, so let's start with our E team, meaning characters that have their names starting with letter E. Okay, so let's start with this awesome, incredible character. This is from our McDonald's Happy Meal Disney 100 toy collection, and this is Elastigirl. That's officially her name, although she's also known as Mrs. Incredible, but this is Elastigirl. One of our characters from the Disney Villain Adorable collection, and she is the Evil Queen. Okay, continue with our Adorable collection, we have Evie. Or Eve, you call it. Eve, Evie. We're actually going to have another one of the same name, but this is Eve. Very cute. This is a very cute, adorable hair. A very cute movie as well. Speaking of Eevee, I have this very nice Eevee Pokemon. This is not actually Eevee's color, but it is a nice 3D print of an Eevee. So if you're Pokemon fans, you would know who this is. Then we also have Elsa. It's one of our top favorite Disney characters currently because of Frozen. Okay. And last but not the least, we have the egg. This is from our snack packs. We haven't really introduced this quite yet, so this is a sneak peek for you guys, but this is an egg from our snack packs collection. You know, you can snap feet and then you can snap back off. Okay, we'll show this more in our next couple of videos, but this is an egg. So there you go, guys. That's our E family. We just got a very few ones, but definitely introduce us to letter E with characters with their names or description starts with an E. So now let's go and introduce our characters that has names, titles, or descriptions that starts with letter F. Okay, this is fun. I actually got a few of characters starting with letter F, so let's go start. And we have Dr. Facilier. So his name is not Doctor, but Facilier is either his name or last name, and it starts with letter F. Okay, then we have Frou. Then we have Flick from The Bug's Life. And it's cool. His body is like transparent, so it glows. You can see it's reflecting the light from my background. But this is Flick. Also from The Bug's Life, we have Francis, the ladybug. Then we have one character in our Emoji Pops. It is a fire, although his official name in Emoji Pop is Leo, but I wanted to show this as a description. He is a fire. Okay. Then we have several adorable characters. This is Flash. This is Finnick. Then finally we have another doctor in the house, but this time is Dr. Finkenstein. So again, doctor is his title, but his name or last name is called Finkenstein. Okay, from Nightmare Before Christmas. Okay, so there you go, guys. That is our team for our F alphabet, our F team, our F family, you can call it. And we have a lot of characters from our Disney Adorable collections, and just one actually from Emoji Pops, but it's cool, huh? It's awesome. Then finally, let us introduce our team, our last team, basically characters, description, that has name starts with letter G. Okay, awesome. All right, let's go start. Let's go start with our friend here. He's blue, big, and very cool. This is Genie from Aladdin. Again, from our Disney Happy Meal toy collection. And this is also from our same collection. And this is Groot from the Guardians of the Galaxy. It is not hard to miss his name because that's all he says. And then from our adorable collection, we have Gabo or Gabo from Disney's Wish. Then we have Gwillia we have Grumpy from our Snow White and the Seven Dwarf collection. Then I have Goofy. So I have two sets of Goofy. One is this one, which is a Disney Adorable collection. This is actually our Disney 100 Years collection. And this is a Jungle Cruise, I believe. Jungle Cruise themed Goofy. We also have a Goofy for the McDonald's Disney theme collection. So I have two types of Goofy, okay? Finally, to wrap up our Team G, I have Grogu from our Star Wars collection. There. So there you go, guys. That wraps up our alphabet segment for today. And we introduced our E family, our F family, and our G family. So I hope you find this fun, exciting, and also educational as we learn different characters that has letters that starts with these alphabets. It is nice to see them again, to be honest with you. So it is nice to play with them, not just open them one time and do nothing with them. So awesome. So awesome. So thank you again for joining us, and we will see you later. Bye!